Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most asked questions on the internet. How can you make money online as a content creator? Whether you're just getting started or already creating, I'm going to break down the best ways to turn your passion into profit. Let's get right into it. First up is one of the most common ways people think of when making money online: ad revenue. Platforms like YouTube and websites with blogs offer ad placement that can generate income. Think of it like this. Every time someone watches your video, there's a chance an ad will play before, during, or after your content. You get paid a small amount every time one of these ads run on your videos. It might not seem like much at first, but trust me, it can add up quickly, especially as your channel blows up and you start pulling in millions of views. We're talking some serious cash. Now, to get those ads rolling in, you'll need to meet some requirements. YouTube, for example, has its partner program. To join the YouTube partner program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. It sounds like a lot, but you got this. Keep creating awesome content, engage with your viewers, and those numbers will climb faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. Once you hit those targets, boom, you're in. YouTube will start placing ads on your videos, and you'll start seeing that sweet ad revenue flowing in. It's like your own little money-making machine powered by your creativity. Remember, consistency is key. The more videos you put out, the more chances for people to find your content, subscribe, and watch those ads. And don't forget about engagement. Reply to comments. Ask questions in your videos to get people talking. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to stick around and watch those ads. Next up, we've got affiliate marketing, one of my personal favorite ways to rake in some serious dough online. Imagine this: you're creating awesome content about something you're passionate about, like gaming, makeup, or maybe even collecting rubber ducks. With affiliate marketing, you can earn money by recommending products or services related to your content. Let's say you're reviewing the latest and greatest gaming headset. You tell your viewers all about its amazing features, how it feels like you're actually inside the game, and how it makes your grandma jealous of your audio skills. But here's the kicker. You include a special link to that headset in your video description. That link, my friends, is an affiliate link. If someone clicks on your unique link and buys that headset because they were obviously blown away by your review, you get a commission from the sale. It's a win-win. Your viewers get a killer product, and you get a little something extra for recommending it. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, and I'm not just talking about tech gadgets. You can find affiliate programs for everything from clothing to travel to online courses. A super popular one is Amazon Associates. They have millions of products you can promote. But here's the golden rule of affiliate marketing. Only promote products that you genuinely believe in. If you wouldn't recommend it to your best friend, don't recommend it to your viewers. Authenticity is key, people. Remember, building trust with your audience is crucial. When you're honest and upfront about your recommendations, your viewers will appreciate it and be more likely to support you by purchasing through your affiliate links. It's all about keeping it real, just like your boy Mr. Beast. Sponsored content and brand deals. Alright, let's talk about leveling up your content game with sponsored content and brand deals. This is where things start to get really exciting, especially as your channel starts to gain some serious traction. Imagine this. You've poured your heart and soul into creating amazing content, and brands are starting to take notice. They're knocking on your virtual door, begging to collaborate with you. Sponsored content is all about partnering with brands to create content that aligns with your channel and your audience. It could be anything from a dedicated video review of a product to a subtle shout-out in your content. The key here is to be transparent with your audience. Let them know that the content is sponsored, but keep it authentic to your style. No one wants to see a forced ad read. Keep it real, keep it fun, keep it you. Now, let's talk about brand deals. These are like the VIP section of sponsorships. We're talking long-term partnerships where brands come to you because they love your vibe, your audience, and what you stand for. These deals can involve anything from featuring their products in your videos to creating exclusive content just for their brand. And the best part? Brand deals often come with some serious cash money. Remember, when it comes to sponsorships and brand deals, it's all about finding the right fit. Don't just say yes to every offer that comes your way. Choose brands that align with your values and that you genuinely believe in. Your audience can spot a fake from a mile away, so keep it real, my friends. Merchandise and digital products. All right, now it's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and dive into the world of merchandise and digital products. This is where you get to create your own empire, build a brand, and share your passion with the world in a tangible way. Imagine this. You're not just a content creator anymore, you're a full-blown business mogul with your own line of merch that your fans are going crazy for. Merchandise can be anything you can dream up. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, you name it. Think about what your audience would love and what represents your channel. You can even create limited edition merch drops to create hype and reward your loyal fans. Trust me, there's nothing more satisfying than seeing someone rocking your merch out in the wild. But wait, there's more. Digital products are another awesome way to monetize your knowledge and expertise. If you've got valuable skills or insights to share, why not package them up into a digital product? You could create ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, stock photos. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of digital products is that they're scalable. You create them once, and they can be sold over and over again, generating passive income while you sleep, eat, or film your next epic video. Remember, creating merch and digital products takes effort, but the rewards can be huge. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a piece of your brand, your creativity, and your connection with your audience. Crowdfunding and memberships. Last but not least, we've got crowdfunding and memberships. A powerful way to build a loyal community and generate recurring revenue directly from your biggest fans. This is about taking your relationship with your audience to the next level, creating a special bond that goes beyond just watching your videos. Imagine this. You're creating exclusive content, offering behind-the-scenes access, and building a community where your most dedicated fans feel like VIPs. That's the power of crowdfunding and memberships. Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, and YouTube memberships make it super easy to set up recurring subscriptions where your fans can support you directly in exchange for awesome perks and exclusive content. Think of it like a VIP club for your channel. You can offer different membership tiers with varying levels of access and perks. For example, your top-tier members could get access to exclusive live streams, Q&A sessions, early access to videos, personalized shoutouts, or even the chance to collaborate with you on a video. The key to successful crowdfunding and memberships is to provide real value to your members. Make them feel like they're part of something special. Give them exclusive content they can't get anywhere else, and show them how much you appreciate their support. Remember, building a loyal community takes time and effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. When you have a dedicated group of fans who believe in you and your vision, anything is possible. So there you have it, 5 solid ways to make money as a content creator. Whether it's ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling your own products, or building a loyal fan base through memberships, the opportunities are endless. Remember, consistency is key. It won't happen overnight, but with passion, patience, and a good strategy, you can absolutely turn your content into a full-time income stream. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which method you're most excited to try. I'll see you in the next video.